How to have good demos? Uh, in my case, I can speak that for me it's very important not the connection with the person you are dancing, but the complicity, the conversation you can have in a very clear way. You know, not just a step, but you know what is going to happen. You know how to solve problems. You will know how to listen to the same part of the music, to have the same vibration with the interpretation. That's something that is very, for us, important, working in a demo. I was talking with one friend today about my demos. I'm not a demo teacher anymore. Before we was like, but not now. Not now, because now that Natalia and I, we are working more, we are starting to go into the process of complicity, of understanding how it goes. But as I've been working several years with no fixed partner, when you do a demo, my main approach is to make that person feels good in the demo. Because when we are starting, they get froze because of the pressure, being nervous. And I feel that I will not make crazy steps, or I will make the demo like, oh, blah, blah, because it's not going to work if we don't have that complicity. So one of the first things is how to understand what is happening in many ways. The way you have the concentration, the present moment, the way you listen to the music, the interpretation, the technique, everything in that complicity state, for me, will create a good demo. Sometimes you have, for example, sometimes you will have good days, and sometimes there are not that good days for demos or for dancing. I think you feel it when you go to festivals and you're like, today is going to be first dance, not good. Second dance, third dance, it's like, what happened today? What is happening today? I don't have that. Maybe because you came from the work and you don't have that open door into someone getting that conversation with you. It happens in demos. Sometimes you are losing, no, sorry, that wrong word. You were using a lot of energy in one class, and then you want to do the demo, and you are in here tired completely. So maybe it's not going to work. Maybe there is a misunderstanding on the music. I want to use this but that person is more stuck into the other element. It happens. It happens to us. To us, I tell Natalia, relax. And sometimes she just go like, and I'm like, okay, no problem. But sometimes she's relaxed and I'm going like, I don't know what to do. So the more you know the other person in many ways, the more you are going to have a good demo. But then in a technical way, technique, knowing the song is very good, because sometimes we choose a song in the moment. We need to practice the song as well that you are going to use. Or you can have a library of, I have these songs for class, but also I have these songs for demos. And you listen with your partner. Meanwhile, you are at home. Meanwhile, you are in the plane. Meanwhile, you are in the room. Oh, you listen to this part. Oh, we can do this. Okay, good. Now we have the musical interpretation, how we can work with the music. But also in the state that you are. But knowing the person in every way, to talk, to understand. how they can feel. But also now not the technique, the style. People now they follow a lot of trending material. You need, and what I mean with style, people, they need to see something different, special, a different spark on you that will make a difference from the other people. If the spark of Fred and Morgan, the spark is the sweetness for me in the way they execute, not just the step, but the way they execute the steps, the fluidity, the smoothness. I think nobody's so smooth in terms of demo like them. I saw them yesterday, 2 days ago in the Olympiads. The demo they did, I was like, wow, crazy, crazy the smoothness. But yeah, knowing the person to have a good demo, to have a good, it's when you're having fun, and it happens sometimes to you in the dance floor. You start to dance with someone, and then suddenly you feel that you are creative. There's a good connection. That person is smiling. You are smiling too. You did steps that is like, I will not repeat this in my life again. It just happened now. You have that boom. This in this moment is not because you know the person, but you have a good, okay, let's talk. Let's have fun. Let's not be with that pressure. But demos, they will bring you a lot of pressure every time. Every time. Because we want to do them very good. And I think something that we forget sometimes is demos also, people, they need that we have fun dancing. And we are enjoying that moment dancing, to dance, to have fun.